Hello, students. A very good morning to all of you. I hope that all of you are fine at your home. In last video, we have learned exercise from Unit 3, that lesson Robinson Crusoe discovers footprint. So most of the exercise we have completed in that video, and remaining exercise we will complete in today's video. Let's start with the match the following. Here joining words are given, that you have to use these joining words, and two columns are there, column A and column B. From that columns you have to select the sentences, join two sentences with the joining words. Joining words are also known as conjunctions. Conjunctions you have already learned in your previous classes, right? So here one example it is given, that I wrote the letter but I forgot to post it. So from this column you have to select the sentences and write the answer. Here I have already written the answers. Let's see the answers. I can sing well but can't dance at all. I can sing well but can't dance at all. Next, she wore a raincoat because it was raining. She wore a raincoat because it was raining. Next, we may go to Shimla or we may go to Darjeeling. We may go to Shimla or go to Darjeeling. Next one, he wanted a book and a football for his birthday. He wanted a book and a football for his birthday. Now, last one, he missed the school bus, so he was late to school. He missed his school bus, so he was late to the school. Now, next exercise, that is fun time. Look at the footprint shown here. Here, right hand side, one picture it is given. In that picture, you can see the footprint it is there. So you have to identify that whose footprint it is given. Here hint it is given. Let's read that hint. This is the footprint of the first man on the moon, and his name was Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was a person who first went to the moon. Now, next exercise, let's create a pyramid. Here, once that space it is given, and it looks like a pyramid. And here clues it is given, so you have to read the clues, and then according to the clues you have to write the word. Use the following clues. First one, a two letter word beginning with letter B. So clue it is, you have to write a word which is two letter and which starts with the letter B. So here I have written BEB. Now next one, a three letter word beginning with C. You have to write a three letter word which starts with the letter C. So you can write cat, cow, or any other word. If you want to write that also you can write. Next, that is a four letter word beginning with D. So here I have written DOVE, dove. You can write dice or any other word according to your choice you can write. Next, a five letter word beginning with E. Here I have written 8, EIGHT. T you cannot see because that it is backside, that page it is turned. So I'm speaking again. You can write it by your own self, as it is not we are not able to see here, right? EIGHT 8. Even you can write eagle or any other word if you want to write, that also it's fine. Now next one, a 6-letter word beginning with F. Here I have written freely. FREELY, freely. So here one word we have written, but apart from this, you have to write for each section 5 words. That means 2-letter words 5 you have to write, then 3-letter words 5, 4-letter, 5-letter, 6-letter. So this 5 words you have to write by your own self in your notebook. Okay, for reference you can use my videos. I will just keep the link in the description box. You can just go through it and learn all that spellings. Okay, you can revise all that spellings which already you have learned in your previous class. Now next exercise, let's work in pairs. Have a conversation with your partner based on the picture below. Conversation, that means baatchit. You have to talk with your partner. Here one picture it is given, that observe this picture, and here you can see 2 hunters are there. They are talking with each other. First sentence it is given, look at the footprints in the mud. And what will be the second hunter's answer? That you can use your imagination, you can write it by your own self, your own dialogues you can write. Here I have given example that if you want to write these sentences, these dialogues, you can write it in your notebook, and if you want to write by your own self, that's also fine. Let's see this conversation. That hunter 1 says, look at the footprints in the mud. Hunter 2 says, they appear to be of a cub. Cub, that means baby tiger or baby lion. It is known as cub. Okay, that you have already learned, right? Now hunter 1 says, it means the tiger has gone out in search of prey. Prey, that means यहाँ पे prey का मीनिंग क्या होगा? Prey, that means शिकार करने के लिए. That means tiger शिकार की खोज के लिए यहाँ से दूर चला गया है. Leaving the cub behind in the cave. Cave में उसके बेबी को, उसके बच्चे को रख कर शिकार की खोज में बाहर चला गया है. Hunter 2 says, you are right. In the absence of its mother, the cub is wandering here and there out of the cave. Hunter 2 says that you are absolutely right, as mother tiger is not present here, so that baby tiger is just wandering here and there out of the cave. Hunter 1 says, where may be the cub? Cub कहाँ है? So hunter 2 says, let's search it in every bush. Bush, that means plants. जो थोड़े बड़े प्लांट होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Bush. So hunter 2 says, let's go and search that baby cub here in the bush. Hunter 1 says, here is it. Hurry up, catch it up. And that hunter 1 has seen that baby cub, that baby tiger, and he said that, hurry up, just let's catch it up. चलो जल्दी करो, उसको पकड़ लेते हैं. Hunter 2 says, now we should leave the forest immediately. Hunter 2 क्या बोलता है कि अभी हमें जल्दी से ये फॉरेस्ट से चले जाना चाहिए. Otherwise that mother tiger will come here and she will kill us because that cub it is with us. So mother tiger will come here and kill us. So that's it. So this you have to write in your English notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you. Have a nice day.